Hello everyone, this is Grace. I'm the sales engineer from J1 Electronic Company. We are the one-stop service company for PCB and PCBA, and we have more than 14 years old in this era. We have so much experiences of PCB and PCBA. Today, I'm very happy to sitting here to introduce one of our basic PCB products to you. And in my hand here, this is a 2 layers PCB. It is very common, right? And you can see, let me get closer. The PCB solder mask is green and the silk screen is white. Please look at the PCB part. So the PCB service process is lead-free HASL. And in order to do a better assembly work, before we put the PCB into producing, our engineer will make it into a panel mode. As you can see, there are 2 pieces in one panel, and there are 4 market boards. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you see it? Oh, don't worry, let me get closer. Now I think you can see it, right? Yes, all the work is for the sequence assembly work. I think this is also our big highlight and intention, right? Do you agree with me? So we are not the trade company. We are the OEM factory, and we can supply to you PCB board and all the components and the PCB, and assembly all the components onto the PCB. Also, we can do the PCB reverse engineering, and also the PCB design work. And maybe you have other requirements such as assembly enclosure. Don't worry, let me show you next. Can you see the like enclosure, the case in my hand? Yes. Inside the enclosure, it is this PCBA board. So we have made a finished product for our customer. So for our team, you just need to share with your idea with us, share with your requirements with us. Here we have a very strong engineering team who can provide to you any kind of service. We will try our best to achieve you any requirements. Please have confidence in us, and because we have the confidence to give you the best service. If you have any PCB and PCBA project in your hand, please just don't hesitate to contact us. I'm sure you will get our best price and service. Goodbye.